Can Samsung TV connect to AirPods? Yes, a Samsung TV can connect to AirPods via Bluetooth, allowing users to enjoy private wireless audio. Since AirPods function like any standard Bluetooth headphones, they can pair with Samsung smart TVs that support Bluetooth audio output. However, users may experience minor audio lag due to differences in Bluetooth codecs. 1. How to connect AirPods to a Samsung TV. Step 1. Put the AirPods in pairing mode by opening the charging case and pressing the button on the back until the LED flashes white. Step 2. On the Samsung TV, go to Settings, then Sound Output, then Bluetooth speaker list. Step 3. Select AirPods from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Step 4. Confirm the pairing, and the TV's audio will play through the AirPods. 2. Troubleshooting AirPods connection issues. If the AirPods are not connecting to the Samsung TV, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on the TV and that AirPods are in pairing mode. Forget and repair AirPods if they are not showing up in the Bluetooth speaker list. Restart both the AirPods and the Samsung TV, then try connecting again. Reduce Bluetooth interference by turning off other nearby Bluetooth devices. 3. Using two AirPods with a Samsung TV. Samsung TVs do not support multiple Bluetooth headphones simultaneously, but you can. Use a Bluetooth transmitter. A dual output Bluetooth adapter can allow two AirPods to connect at once. Share audio via an Apple device. If you own an Apple TV, use audio sharing to stream TV audio to two sets of AirPods. 4th, potential limitations of using AirPods with Samsung TV. Audio delay may occur, especially when watching fast-paced content. No automatic pause play feature, since AirPods proximity sensors only work with Apple devices. Limited codec support, meaning Samsung TVs may not fully optimize AirPods sound quality. Samsung TVs can connect to AirPods via Bluetooth, providing a private and wireless audio experience. If connection issues or audio lag occur, repairing, using a Bluetooth transmitter, or adjusting TV sound settings can help improve performance.